Come on to this live. My supporters are mainly from Jamaica, USA, India. Let's see. I'm gonna take a walk down this side. Hope my people are staying safe, 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 safe. I heard that St. Thomas getting the hardest hit. Well, has gotten some rain and winds already. The highway is almost impossible because of the debris that was washed ashore. Normally when it's rain and windy in St. Thomas, the sea, because we are surrounded by so many water, the sea normally come in on the road, yes, and sometimes damage the road. Sometimes it throw pebbles on the road, sand. It makes it impossible to drive on. So guys, you need to be careful out there. There is a curfew in place for Jamaica from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. today. Please obey. Truck overturned. Why? Was the truck on the road? And we were told about this from early yesterday. Say to stay in. Me there foreign and me can see that the news there. So why those person always strive to like they want to beat the law and don't obey what the prime minister say. We don't need to listen. And sometimes when I put on yourself all coronation market, I was like, when I put on yourself out there in the danger at the appointed time, when it gets worse, we don't want other person risk their lives now to come get to know, even though they are disaster people. That's not fair to them. We don't need to obey and just chill. We don't get the day off, stay in. I'm gonna go over here, so yeah, man, just a walk. Just stay inside, spend some time with your family, try and learn to cook something. Yeah, because sometimes we depend so much rush. I just fast food where I eat. Try and do up some smoothie. Go up on my channel, you see a lot of smoothie recipe. You must buy up some fruits and stuff. Go and make some smoothie and easy. Guys, it's serious. Stay inside. Alright? Some parishes might not be experiencing a lot, but that no means you must come outside because there's a curfew. I wish door again we normally go. Must that one there for the gym. I don't have my ID, so I'm not go over there. But may I do a walk, walking. I'm walking, guys. I'm walking. I'm just talking about whew, I'm not so sure what's happening. Well, in Mandeville, it seems to be calm and quiet. Not much rain, or if not no rain, maybe not no rain, or maybe rain some places. Where my daughter is, no rain. But in St. Thomas, I was trying to get my cousin. I didn't get her. So maybe I don't know if the phone systems are down. Cause you know, so anything where I come, always I hit Moran Point, which is so sad. So Moran Point is the first place of contact. Then look at something here, see? Lord Jesus. You're coming like main road. Have to be careful. All in with the film dog and him a drive, that's something there. You have to be careful. But the puppy is being driven out. uh, but yes, I'm doing an early walk today. Okay, I'm getting the blight to go. You never want to come with me. Yeah, walk with the bag and then change and then change. Yeah, that's a better thing. Look at that steps. I'm going to see where the steps they can. Next time I'm going to go last. Hi. I've come with somebody where somebody can tell me where those steps. Look at that step, those steps, guys. The hell of a step, you know. Next time I go there and I don't know where I land. Oh, I should land right. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to try out the steps. Guys, I'm going to try out this step. I should land right. If I land where I can't come back, or I can't find where may I go, I just turn back. But I should land. You know, so I not go because it don't look familiar. I go up so first. Let's see. How may I go land before I go up there? Because I enough steps that to climb up and to climb down back. Let me ask this gentleman if you know where I land when I go up the step. No, he look new. No, I don't know. Can't look like he will know. But yes, guys, this is not gonna be a long live. It's gonna be a short one because I'm praying for my country. I'm praying for you all. Stay safe and just obey the rules and stay in, okay? Okay. Love you all. Praying for you. Jeez. The sun hot out this. Oh no, look out this how the sun hot now. So I forgot walk in that sun there now. What a wicked act. And here so cool and nice. Look on the cool shade right here. So. Look on the cool shade, guys. Oh, I could have come off the steps and come round this road. Okay, if I never know where straight would have landed me. So yeah. Climb the step, come off, turn right, and come to your right. Yeah, I could have done that. But anyways, that's for another day because we not do the walk in the sun here today. Guys, come in. Thanks for coming in. Like the live, share the live. I'm doing this when my friends are over with the storm. They can watch it if they are not on. I know most of them might not be on. As I said, most of my peeps are from Jamaica. You know the thing already. So let us all pray for them. Um, Lola, Wagwan, what's going on? What's going on, Lola? How are you? Let me take a break out of the sun here. Jesus, the sun hot, you see? Why am I come out of the building, come and walk in at the sun out there, though? Storm watching from Jamaica. You're in Jamaica? Oh, fuck. You're still in Jamaica? Can't believe. You're still in Jamaica, Lola? Wow. Oh, okay. Stay safe, honey. Stay safe. Stay safe. Oh, you're retired. You retired? You gone back home, or you just there on holidays? Because you can retire and stay here, or you retired and go home. So which one? Because I know your children are here. Oh, guys, sorry. Because I not eat lunch yet, that's why I'm answer. But my sit down right, this is quite comfortable. And then those two came talking their language on vacation. Oh, okay. Awesome. But still, be safe, enjoy yourself, enjoy, relax, get some needed rest. When you come to Jamaica, summer, or you like the winter up here? I like winter, because like most persons would person would do it the other way around. Stay here for the summer, and then winter time they go home. Guys, like up the live. I see so many persons on. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell. Them should have put more chair under the shades. It's too hot. Because my sister gave me soursop leaf tea and makes me so sleepy. Me say, I don't sleep when I'm sleeping. Hungry. Baby's hungry because I never eat yet. But I say, I want to come out early before the storm, or during the early part of the storm, because 12 o'clock now, after 12, so we get three times for the storm to pass. 4 a.m. you're the, oh, it's one train there. It's one train there, guys. 4 a.m. It's one train there. It's one train there. But it's the end that catch us. No, it's not the end. I heard it when it was coming down. Oh, you come catch the all foods tribe season. Okay. No, but I remember I say fruits them ripe right throughout the season. I believe. Watch the train. I believe. And are you seeing the train? And you can get foods anytime. It's not like say we have a special season. It's basically one season for us. Enjoy train gone. Yeah, the train gone. I'm gonna see one of my little friend up there soon, but I'm gonna see him again. Yeah, that's how I would do it. Even the young. I already in. See it? So when I'm a Jamaican there. How are you? That mean you're good. Thank you, Jesus. Um, young grapes are sweet. Yeah, cause auntie, remember auntie did go. Away, Sentan. And see the tree full of grapes. And say them sweet. Oh, awesome. I'm happy to hear that. She's great. She's great. Awesome. So what's happening in your neck of the woods, Rodine? I'm not sure. I'm not asking Lola because Lola just visiting. But what's happening in your neck of the woods? How is the breeze? How is the water? How is the hurricane treating you guys? Are you seeing any impact? Just a little bit of wind, no rain. Okay. Mango, a stone dog, jackfruit. Yeah, yeah, yo. I wish I could get some of all of those. Those are my things, you know. Those are my thing. Careful with the mangoes. Careful. Just eat and freeze. You can care up. You can peel them, freeze them, and carry them up without the seed. The mangoes. Yeah. Jackfruit too. Or again. Breadfruit. You know you can care up breadfruit. Or again. Melon you have up here enough. Papaya you have up here. Even though they might taste different. Because sometimes it tastes some melon up here. It's bitter. I don't know why. 3 breadfruit. Mail 2 to me now. Please and thanks. Can't tell us me breadfruit. Breadfruit is one of my favorite breakfast meal. Breadfruit and ackee and saltfish. I love that. I love roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish. When I'm in Jamaica, most Sunday mornings, that's my breakfast. Yeah, I love it. Yes, please and thanks. So, roast breadfruit, ackee and saltfish is one of my favorite. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'll eat that. When I make it, I eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I just sit on here saying what there's something then gone. Yes, like up the live, guys. What am I waiting on? To like up the live. Hold on there. Hold on there, guys. Like and share. Yeah, so I don't know why this button decided to go pull. Okay, it's fixed now. When I do ackee and saltfish, by the way, I love my ackee and saltfish is, well, I would say the best, one of the best. I love to prepare it and I love to eat. So, because I love to eat it, I love to prepare it my way. Then drink smoothie. Me say, Lola, have pear funny? She have pear fun in Jamaica. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I'm happy for you. I am so happy for you that you are having this fun. because I can't wait to come home. When I come home, to get some real jerk chicken and some jerk pork and some ackee and saltfish, some jackfruit, some Nesberry, some guinea, everything me I go eat. Shireen, this is guys, Shireen here. Me ate already and come back. I came out early. I did my walking already. I did a walking to a new place down the road. And I was talking about hurricane. And now I come head back and sit down because the sun too hot. I don't walk no more. Made it hurt me. When me in the sun, if a mind sharp, me it hurt me. Shireen, what go on down at Senti? How things down there? How is things down by Senti? I know some people them are rolling in a car now. Storm now. No Beryl can't stop them. You know, see from you have data and you know have devastation. I know so them are rolling. How is Senti? Guys, I see some video with St. Thomas Highway and it now look pretty. A whole lot of debris on it. Because remember, you know, St. Thomas is surrounded by the sea. I can't go walk a beach from my house. That's how this near the sea is. And like there are several different beaches. So whenever it's storm or anything, the first place to hit in the Jamaica waters is Morant Point. It's raining. That goes. I have to get it under. Oh, me say, I can't wait. Then jerk chicken here, but nothing here tastes the same like back home food. Yard food are the best. Nothing here. All when Jamaicans prepare it, like maybe the meat different and the seasoning different, but it don't taste the same. Best food. Portland, Jesus. But me here's a Portland, I get a whole heap of rain. If you got touchdown for the roast beef fruit and the pork, Jesus. And when you're there fine, you know say you miss the yard, you know, and miss the food, you know. So when you're there fine. Because me say nothing. All when them I say built by Jamaica, come from Jamaica, ship from Jamaica. It not taste the same. Look like them put more preservative in after the Jamaican stuff than we ship feet last longer. So it not taste the same. I just think so. They not taste the same. The absolute best, of course. Yeah, from how much in weeks Portland I get rain. So I just can't imagine the ground saturated. It's weak. So anything now, them are gonna get it double whammy. Yeah. So yeah, me I miss out, but me I miss my food. You can't imagine not even the oxtail up here. Me not really like. And look how oxtail nice when they cook at Jamaica. Me I refuse oxtail. Oxtail in when me cook it and when it cook at Jamaica, it's like the meat and something where them have. Pick off this Wi-Fi. Like the meat and something. Try it. I mostly enjoy the breakfast food, like McDonald's, Dunkin', and when I cook my breakfast. It's the season. Yeah, I think so too. I think the season different, totally different, and it make the food taste real different. Just the Korean and off in Ochi. Okay, awesome. Awesome. I think say by the time Beryl forget to them part of the country they will have cooler temperature, worse Mandeville, Senti, those places have a cooler temperature, it not gonna be that um, powerful. The storm not going to be that powerful. But I'm glad so I still can talk to my people them. Well on the live, I'm still trying to get my cousin in St. Thomas. I never get her. I'm gonna try call one next one and see if we can get them. And here get some more update over that side. Yeah. But normally St. Thomas, Portland, St. Mary, always the worst. Okay, awesome. Yeah, we just have to pray and hope for the best. The Prime Minister is doing its best by keeping people inside. I remember when Gilbert hit, a lot of looting took place. And I guess that's why the curfew is in effect until that time so that they can try to make people go and secure their property, restore some of the power lines and stuff before night and before people start loot people business places. Time and scallion. For them time up here at different ombre. Different and scallion. Different something. It is a season like our one. Category 3. I can stay there and waiting to all 2 and 0 in the mighty name of Jesus. I don't know where did I go with category 5 intention. Huh? Beryl know what category 5 is? Storm is? You want to come push it out from Jamaica Sea? But it's so early in the year though. It's so early in the hurricane season. I've never heard or read anything about hurricane in this early time of the season. Yeah man, since you have season scallion. Yeah. I've never heard of somebody a video down there so somebody like me love video. Never heard of. Guys, look on that tree there. Look on that big Christmas tree there. Let me see if we can push it back somewhere. Right. Look at it. You can imagine if there is like a bunch of trees there, right there. So and it just look nice. Like it's a Christmas tree and it can be decorated. So one right here so by itself. So I can imagine if the campus people then decide for put up lights for Christmas. Jesus. The place are pretty. Yeah, so going to be too late for me to get it, Shireen. See I'm so oh Lola. Yeah. You never know, say I sent here at the bread basket. Anything you want. They have the best like melon, thyme and scallion. Or again, we have the best breadfruit and East Indian mangoes. I know that. If I can say that. Yeah, when you get St. Thomas breadfruit, yellow heart, nice breadfruit, and East Indian, nice, sweet, juicy East Indian mangoes from St. Thomas. I call St. Thomas Saint, you know, any parish in the Saint. Yeah, vegetables, yeah. Yeah, you can get those from St. But I'm happy. I'm glad. Say, because the way them did attack yesterday by this time, like Ghana, everybody Jamaica mash up. But thanks be to God. He, he again came through and minimizes the impact. I am so grateful. Yes, there are one and two things, but I am so grateful that Portland, Portland bread food nice, yes. Yeah, Portland bread food nice, but St. Thomas bread food nicer. Obese from Portland, so yeah. So yeah, we have the best bread food in the east. Um, nice, nice. So Lola, how you know that? It moving slowly, that's why. Make it steady. And I come out here rapidly. I can't take it. I make them just retire the name there because that name there not a good name anymore in our book. Gone down in history like Gilbert. Beryl, you shall go down in history book like Hurricane Gilbert. You not come back up here. So you stay there. You think you did come out here for come rule and rule forever? You just get a little fame now. And after you gas ego disappear, no more Beryl in the books. Yeah, the breadfruit goddess. Okay. I love breadfruit, you know. I can eat breadfruit morning, evening, lunchtime, anytime. Breadfruit with ackee and saltfish is my go-to, but I can't have it with anything else. Callaloo and saltfish. Oh my God, I can't believe I have that. I just love breadfruit, and worse if it fry, I love it too. Breadfruit is just so nice. And I think it's much better than the rice. So if you can't have the breadfruit, it's good. But I see them sell breadfruit in the Jamaican so-called store. Exactly. Then that we are talking about Shireen. Anyway, it come as how them said to come. You remember banana, ripe banana, green banana, and oranges. Price never goes back down from one of them storm there. I think at Ivan. It never got up and back. Them price there is like up there constantly because most of the crops, the vegetarians for tation for those crops went, and it's the few persons that had them, the few persons that had those items were the price gone way above us. We couldn't even afford it after the storm. So if that happen again, you can imagine we not gonna can afford the food them down there. Foods them going to be so expensive, the ground provisions. People are going to want to start eat pure rice and flour because them not gonna can afford planting. Them not because no planting tree will be standing, and them have to start from scratch. And the few will stand up a double price. I remember distinctly oranges and banana. Those prices never goes back down. The farmers them will have the few crops, keep it above. Yeah, I have to thank God because it would be good for the crops to be to save for the crops to be saved from this disaster. And especially Shireen ground crop, which carrot I think grows in the ground, not on wherever tree in the ground. So water and stuff, or melon and those things, watermelon and them something there, would get a lot of damage too. Everything would be washed out, tree blow down, and the young sucker them now go come again because they wash out the ground. Me say, Rudine, me ear say Coronation Market did still a keep. And can you imagine? No, sir. Jamaicans, nothing in them lives serious. I mean, there. Jamaica, Jamaican steaks, nothing serious. Watch him inside the thing. How am I do? Yes, them still out there. The people, them still out there. How am I go? No care Andrew talk. The people then still out there. Then get the liquor there for rest them body. And then still out the street. And tell me now, if anything should happen, at a good disaster preparedness, ODP, what your name again? ODPEM. Oh, wait, what your name again? Oh, ADPEM people. ADPEM people have to go out in the dangerous times with the winds and sitting for go rescue them. You remember the time when the storm was coming, they told the person that on the key to come in because the wind is going to be very strong and they can't stay there. And they stay there, and them have to call the JDF to go for them when it gets real bad. People, they not listen, they not learn, they not have no understanding. Say, I mean, OEDPM or RODPEM. Odd permit name. ODP. Whoosh. Guys, they right behind me, I'm afraid. I wonder if he's gonna jump on me. Lord Jesus Christ. I'm afraid. Hey, squirrel. Go about your business. Yeah, add Pem. Go about your business. You see me there attack and you come and itch up yourself and go on with your antics. Watch there. Oh, I'm fine. I'm gone. Go on the tree, man. And leave me alone. I can't talk. My daughter. Go up on the tree. Watch him. And we might eat. I'm using them foot them for hold something with them. And he might eat. Yeah. Them not here. Them out there. Same way. Disobeying the law. And a category 3, Rodine. Gilbert was category 5. And a 5. I think a category 5 was Gilbert, man. Because Evan, listen to one clip, and Evan said this storm is moving the same way like Gilbert's. Gilbert would have to be category 3. The way my ball in that storm. It would have to be category 5. The amount of something we're gone. All dish she take away with it. Remember Loving Dear sing when you see me dish? Dish go away. Light post down for much weeks. Jesus, how am I eat, guys? Just hold on, they make me do all it. Sorry guys. Yellow heart breadfruit is the best. Guys, I did a video of him. That's why I did go away. But sorry. Yeah, and my parish has that. See my look on there. So if you might come, I go run with you now, okay? Yellow heart breadfruit are the best. Jesus, my lunchtime I done. I'm not gonna eat yet. Watch him a look. Watch him. Watch him. My love, watch him. My love, watch him. Especially when they put up in tail and it flares and it give you this nice flary thingy. I like it. I like that part there. See, they ain't gone now. Just a prayer say, we breadfruit them still up on the tree. And then I blow down car breadfruit tree week, you know. Then I take much for drop. Not like star apple. Star apple tree is strong like what? Other trees. But breadfruit tree, all the limb, you can't climb it. You can't climb a breadfruit tree. If the limb thing there, because them weak, it just break easily. Well, based on the breadfruit tree that we have in our yard at St. Thomas, yeah. So guys, whoa, almost an hour. I'm here talking to you guys. Yeah, I enjoy your company. I enjoy it. Tomorrow, guys, hey, tomorrow is holiday, you know. Tomorrow is July 4th. Lola, I've seen a lot of that July 4th here, so she can't miss it. But it's Independence Day here in the USA. I'm gonna experience it. Um, I think I did already, but for the record, maybe not. So I'm gonna try. I don't know what they're gonna have fireworks and stuff. I'm not so sure how that is gonna work. The Macy's fireworks. You have different places having fireworks. You have different places having things. Different places gonna have different stuff. It's a family get together where you might need to enjoy it with your family. Some people might stay home because the next day I work. But whatever we do, we're gonna do it and be mindful of Jamaica, who is under the effect of Hurricane Beryl. Yes, because tomorrow morning, that's when we are going to have to help them pick up the pieces and get back to business, because you can't lay dead. We have to just get up and go again. Because you might just get up and hear, so one next one I got to go out there. So what we are going to do? We're not going to give up hope. So we are going to keep trying. We are going to put back things together and keep moving again. So thank you so much, guys, for coming in. Tomorrow, enjoy yourself safely. I'm gonna try, yes. I maybe crash somewhere with them, something there happen. Yes. So take care. See you guys. Give us updates. I've been reading Shireen them posts when them posts on FB if you see what I want. So just post things and let us know, because we are read them. And be safe and stay strong. Remember, America, well, the USA, them are the first one. We're the first one to help out. I'm sure of that, because US government's watching everything that is happening in the Caribbean. So I mean, know so them some of them people there in the Caribbean too. So them not leave on out. So stay strong, be safe, and I'll see you in my next live. Maybe Friday, maybe who knows. Maybe tomorrow, who knows. Let's see, show you what's going on for the holiday. Okay, guys? So stay strong. I'm praying for you all. God bless you. Thank you for coming. If you're having a birthday, happy birthday. If you're having an anniversary, happy anniversary. If you're mourning in any great way, shape, or form, I condolences. But we are praying for you guys with the hurricane. So stay safe until we go live again. Okay? Love you. God bless you all. And I'm out of here. Bye. Take care, Lola. Enjoy. Soak up everything for me and you. and enjoy, okay? Bye guys, take care. I have to go. I'm gonna say my byes. Then I hang up.